In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make words appear on your screen. Like as I'm talking now, the words will appear on the screen as I'm talking. It helps to boost engagement and make you as well grow on the platform. So it's a simple tutorial I'm going to walk you through. So make sure you watch this video to the end to know how to do this. Let's go. To make words appear on your screen, the app we are going to use is CapCut, okay? Because on CapCut it's free, but on InShot you have to pay, okay, for InShot to do that for you, right? Go to CapCut, you tap to open. So once you open CapCut, you go to New Project, you tap to open. Then you select the video you want to make words appear on. For me, I want this video. You go to add. Okay, so here is the video, right? Let me play it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make words appear on your screen. Like as I'm talking now, the words will appear on the screen as I'm talking. It helps to boost engagement and, make you as well grow on the platform. So to make words appear as I'm talking, all you need to do is to locate the caption tab. This caption, you tap on caption. Okay, so once you tap caption, you're going to see this interface, right? Then all you need to do is a video already, right? And we want the caption to be in English, okay? So this is where you select other languages. You tap on this arrow to select other languages, but I want mine to be in English, okay? So the default is English, right? Next thing you're going to do is to go to here that says generate, then you tap on generate. So you guys can see it's generating caption. Okay, so it has generated the caption, okay? So we're going to make it to be bold, right? Drag this. Let me play it, let's see. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make words appear on your screen. Like as I'm talking now. To further customize this, to give us what we want, okay, go to style. You type on style. So when you go to style, you choose any of these templates here. You just go through the templates and choose, okay? You choose the one you like. So I think I'm going to be going for this first one here. The words will appear on. Okay, then you drag to the middle. For this place, this is the font. You can choose any font here. Then for style, you can choose any style here. Okay, let me just go for this style or this one. Let me go for this one. Right, so for effects, you go for effects. You can choose any effects you want here, and most of the effects here are premium, okay? Unless this one is not a premium effect, and this one, right? So this is animation. This is animation. You can choose any animation you want here. Just have to customize it the way you want, right? Then this is bubble. The major thing is to choose how the text will appear, right? So let's play this. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make words appear on your screen. Like as I'm talking now, the words will appear on the screen as I'm talking. It helps to boost engagement and, make you as well grow on the platform. So this is how you can generate or make words to appear on your screen. It's as simple as that. Another thing is, if the words you're speaking are not correct, you can go to edit caption. You tap on edit caption. Then you can, make some adjustment here, correct the spellings and the rest of them, okay? So this is where you can do that. I know you've learned how to make words appear on your screen. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give me a like, share and follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much and see you guys in the next one.